My name is Muhammad. I'm going to be a local guide for a few minutes.
Okay.
I explain to you about the famous stone that we have it here, the alabaster.
Okay.
Alabaster actually comes 3 different colors, no more. You can see the first color white, second brown, third green. We get the stone from the mountain behind Valley of the King.
Okay.
25 kilometers. We still use the camels and donkeys. Come closer. This is the first step, how they cut the stone by the hammer. Wow. They make the shape, vase and pool and ash. The shape, it's very heavy. They cover it from outside by cotton and the glue and powder of alabaster.
Okay.
And then hand drill. Excuse me, Mahmoud.
All right, I'll look for it.
And then polish it by fire. This is hand, super light, made of alabaster.
Can I feel it?
Can, hold it.
Oh, it is very light.
It's
very light.
Made by machine.
Ah.
Now you know one of the secret, the difference between hand and machine.
Yes, it's much heavier made by machine, much heavier.
You found the people try to sell this for you like a real. It's chips and bacon. This is the real volcano vessel. From vessel they make figures and vase and tiles. This man, he carved the limestone on tiles as well. Thank you so much for listening. Inside, I show you the rest.
What do you say? You on the phone with him?
Closer.
He said he wants, this is the one that broke, that was green. My dad was just here, he bought this,
I'll show you that.
Okay.
but it was green and it broke.
He said when we buy it, could y'all double wrap it? He said it wasn't double wrapped.
It broke.
Yeah, he said they wrapped it one time and it
Maybe
broke.
the kids, they don't know metal. I wrap my piece by myself.
Yes, sir.
Good to know first we do our hospitality drink, and good to know that's nothing to do business with us. It's a house drink for all together. We got cold lemonade, hibiscus cold, minty hot, coffee with milk and sugar, coffee black, Coke, Fanta, Sprite.
Okay. You want something?
Not right now, I'm good. I'm kind of just looking and taking all this in.
I'm fine as well.
Okay, can I give you more information?
Yes,
You wanna
definitely.
look? She can look and you can see. Okay. This is the limestone tiles. As you see outside how they carve it.
Yes, sir. Are you okay with being recorded? I'm sorry.
No problem.
No problem. Okay, yes, sir.
This is the alabaster one, the first way to know real or fake, under the light.
Ah.
Here we got the scarab and the pyramid, the one she asked me about.
Okay, yep, right here. Yes, sir.
And the table, here we get the scarab beetle. If you like your names, they can carve the names outside.
Okay.
Here, black vase, which is waterproof, basalt.
Wow.
The figures actually come gray when they bake it, it comes black.
Wow.
This is onyx, same precious stone. Use it for drink, hot, cold, no problem. Bastel and motor, chest. Closer. Three different colors for alabaster. The first color, white. Second color, brown. Third color was gray. Now it's wax green inside and outside.
Wow.
So the alabaster, nice to use it to put candle.
Oh yeah.
Hold this and give me the camera. What's your name?
Z.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Welcome to Egypt.
Please make a wish.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Hey.
The pyramid and the pyramid is broken.
Yeah.
بشترى هرم ولف لي غلط.
Your father
My father was just here 2 weeks ago.
with me, Ken.
Okay. Are you Walid?
Wali.
Walid? Yes, my dad was just here. He had
Say
dreadlocks.
hello for your father.
Yeah, say what's up.
You are good?
Yes, sir.
Next time come to Egypt with your friend and family.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yep, no
Take your
problem.
time.
Thank
See,
you.
catch your